The idea that food can be medicine is a big one in diabetic and nutritional sciences. Now, bitter melon has been used for a long time as a dietary supplement and in folk medicine to help people with diabetes feel better. It has been studied a lot around the world as well for its medicinal properties. It can help treat a lot of different illnesses, so let's get into it. I am Dr. Ahmet Ergin, a functional doctor specializing in endocrinology, diabetes, and lifestyle improvements, as well as diet. Let's discover how and why it helps the diabetes control, the bitter melon. So this little plant has been used as a medicine for a long time. Well, not in USA as much. We have FDA here and we can only call something medicine if FDA allow us to do so. But regardless, we know for centuries that bitter melon has been used as an anti-cancer, anti-inflammatory, antiviral, and cholesterol-lowering medicine. So regardless of what FDA thinks, it does what it does. It has a lot of phenolic compounds that may be good for your health because they could be antioxidants and anti-mutagens, meaning that it can actually prevent harmful mutations. A lot of clinical studies have shown that bitter melon extract from the fruit or the seeds and the leaves has a lot of bioactive compounds that can lower blood sugar in both diabetic animals and people. Now, plant-based medicine has been used all over the world to treat diabetes for a very low price. Isn't that true? I mean, today's medication prices are so ridiculously high that people are going back to traditional recipes, traditional medicines rightfully. There are many places in the world where this may be the only way to treat people as well who have diabetes. There are a lot of different reviews or views about the herbal plants that actually can help people with diabetes out there, right? There's something called Ayurveda. In Ayurveda and other traditional medicine systems, a lot of plants are used as herbal medicine to help people with diabetes or other conditions. So as a result, these medicinal plants play an important role as an alternative medicine because they don't have as many side effects and they cost way less. Now, the active ingredients in these medicinal plants have been studied or said to be able to help pancreatic cells to grow back because they're half dead when you have diabetes. They allow them to release insulin and fight the insulin resistance as well. So it also lowers the development of diabetic complications because you lower your blood sugars, right? So these herbs, especially bitter melon that we are talking today, they raise the insulin levels only when needed for a very short time. That's important. Improve the glucose uptake by the fat and muscle tissues. They also stop glucose from being absorbed from the intestine and lower the glucose from being released into the blood that is made by your liver. That's typically the reason for high blood sugars in the morning, right? It is still important to use medicines, of course, if needed. However, if something natural helps you, why take the medicine, right? Again, I'm talking about type 2 diabetics here because nothing but insulin will help type 1 diabetics. So if you're type 1 diabetic, that may not be for you. Now, plants that are rich in nutrients like bitter melon are actually made up of a lot of good things. Now, what are these good things? We're talking about bioactive chemicals. We're talking about vitamins, the minerals, the antioxidants, and some of the things that make it so good at treating not just diabetes, but a lot of different illnesses as well. There are a lot of vitamins in it as well, in that fruit, bitter melon. Vitamin C, vitamin A, and E. There are also lots of B1, B2, and B3, as well as even B9 vitamin, which is folate. Now, bitter melon fruit is also rich in minerals, not just vitamins. So it has the potassium, the calcium, the zinc, the magnesium, phosphorus, and iron. Now you can imagine that that's all you need, right, as a diabetic? It's also good, but also it has a lot of fiber in it. So there are many things that make the bitter melon, like the phenols, also flavonoids. We talked about this in other videos in the past. Terpenes and so forth. They all actually make it also taste bad a little bit, but so people really don't like to eat it too much or too often, but because of its medicinal effect, you may want to eat it. However, eating a lot is difficult to get the medicinal effect. That's why one of the main ingredients of SugarMD Advanced Glucose Support, which contains a highly concentrated bitter melon in each capsule. You just take it right before each meal, and then next you just let the bitter melon do its job and keep the blood sugar under control. Of course, we have 7 different herbs in there. Bitter melon is just one of them. But I'm very confident in our supplement's abilities to help lower your blood sugars. I would say try it now, and I know for a fact, once you try it once, you will never quit that again. It is minimal side effects or no side effects for many people, and a lot of times in my clinic, patients just love it more than any other medication that I prescribe. Again, we don't call it a medication. It's not a medication. It is a medicinal herb. There's a difference there. But as long as it lowers your blood sugar in a natural way, why not, right? So the best results are achieved when you take 2 capsules with a glass of water before each meal. Now, some people take it 1 capsule per meal, depending on how it works for you or for them. And it can actually save you quite a bit of money if you're taking 1 capsule instead of 2. But if the 1 capsule is not working enough, you can definitely take 2 capsules. Now, when you buy in 3 or 6 packs, you also get a lot of advantage from those sales, from the quantity sales. But I know you will definitely order those once you start the first order. Once you go with the first small one, you will definitely love it. Now, that's it for today. Again, remember to visit our website at sugarmds.com. Remember to like, subscribe, and share, and we will see you in the next video. Hey guys, I hope you're enjoying this channel so far, and I hope you subscribed already. If you didn't, do it. And if you did, watch this video right there. I think that will help you too.